Today is our last day in Santorini, Greece. Tomorrow we will set off for the island of Mykonos. Since it is our last evening in Santorini, we decided to spend it in Ia village soaking in the magical sunset. Ia is a stunning village located on the northern tip of Santorini. It's renowned for its whitewashed building and the iconic blue domes. The village is perched on the edge of the caldera, offering breathtaking views of the Aegean Sea. Ia is also famous for its incredible sunsets. Every evening, people from all around come here to watch the sunset. We reached a little before the sunset, so we had some time to enjoy the views and take photos. Most of the buildings on both sides of this narrow street are either hotels, restaurants, souvenir shops, or small cafes. As the sunset time came closer, the place slowly started becoming crowded. And here it is, the moment we were waiting for. The sun is slowly going down behind the water. After the sunset, we walked a bit more, enjoyed the cool breeze, and took some photos before heading back. After the sunset, the streets became calmer, the lights came on, and Ia looked even more beautiful at night. Then we stood in the queue for the bus to go back to Fira. The distance to Fira is around 11 kilometers, which takes about 15 to 20 minutes to reach. After reaching Fira, first we had dinner at the same restaurant and then we returned to our hotel. The next day we had to leave early for Mykonos Island. Thank you so much for watching my Ia sunset vlog. I hope you enjoyed the journey and the beautiful views. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in my next vlog. Bye.